Hello students, today we are going to study the mode of excretion and the name is ureotelism. Ureotelism, it is one of the mode of nitrogenous excretion from the body. Elimination of nitrogenous waste in the form of urea is called as ureotelism, as the word has come ureotelism in that urea word is there. Urea is less toxic and less water soluble than ammonia, because ammonia is more soluble in water. As compared to ammonia, urea is less toxic and less water soluble also. It requires less water for elimination. As it is less toxic and less water soluble, hence ureotelism is suitable for those animals who require conservation of water to some extent. Hence, it is common in terrestrial animals. As they have to conserve water, it takes 50 ml water for removal of 1 gram of ammonia in the form of urea. Mammals, cartilaginous fishes like shark and rays, many aquatic reptiles, most of the adult amphibian, etc., they are ureotelic. Here, I want to mention, we as a human being, we are also ureotelic organisms. They convert ammonia to urea in the liver by operating ornithine or urea cycle. 3 ATP molecules are required or used to produce one molecule of urea. So if the question come, write a note on ureotelism. You are going to write the process, that is elimination of nitrogenous waste in the form of urea, is called ureotelism. This is first point. Second point will be it is less toxic, less water soluble. This is your second point. Third point will be it require just 50 ml of water to remove 1 gram of ammonia in the form of urea. This is your third point. And last point, you are going to remember examples: mammals, cartilaginous fishes, sharks and rays, aquatic reptiles, and most of the adult amphibians. So this will be your four point. So if the question come for 2 marks, you are going to write these 4 important point. And last, but which is very important, about ornithine or urea cycle. Let us study ureotelism. Elimination of nitrogenous waste in the form of uric acid is called as ureotelism. Here you are going to remember the word uric acid. Uric acid is least toxic, hence it can be retained in the body for some time in concentrated form. It is least soluble in water, hence minimum 5 to 10 ml of water is required for 1 gram removal of uric acid, or no need of water for its elimination. Hence animals, those need to conserve more water, follow ureotelism. Ammonia is converted into uric acid by inosinic acid pathway in the liver of birds. And the examples are birds, some insects, many reptiles, land snails. They are uricotelic because they need to conserve water. However, they have to spend more energy. So if the question come, write a note on ureotelism. You are going to write the process in which uric acid is eliminated. You are going to write second point, it is least toxic, so it can be retained in the body for some time. Least soluble in water, this is your third point. Fourth point, you can write 5 to 10 ml of water required for 1 gram removal of uric acid. And last point, you are going to write about the examples. So this is all about ureotelism.